Good night. Should I put Scout on?
5-10 minutes of bedtime music. Good night, Tyler.
I don't think that's going to help us with welcoming Will home. Oh, he's leaving. I don't know.
He's throwing a fit. He's gonna go over and take on.
What do you think about Will sleeping in the crib? It's a light. You don't mind if your brother sleeps in your crib and you'll sleep in the big boy bed?
Actually, I want to shut this off. I want to do this one because it's got the lights on it.
What do you think? Uh-oh. For Mommy? Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Are you picking up all the pieces for Mommy? Oh, and it goes with the barn? Let's put it together.
Too much going on there for you, huh?
Overstimulation.
Good. Hey.
Hey. He's probably looks so tiny in that crib. Even with the big bundle.
You know you're about to go freak.
He looks so thick in that swaddle. Oh, you have your bat and your ball? Gonna ask Daddy to play baseball? Ball. Ball. Ball, bat and ball. Oh, okay. What are you doing? You and those blue eyes, buddy. Mommy's first love.
No!
No. See you later.
Bye!
Bye. Okay.